Hey guys, how are you and welcome back to my channel. Today is the third day of the 5 before Thanksgiving collab that I'm doing with Too Much Tash or Natasha. If you don't follow her, you just need to go and follow her. Yesterday she did a beautiful eye look, I'm sure of it, and yesterday I did a color pop neon pink or fuchsia and orangey neons, and it was lovely. Also, the first day of this collab, we both did a full face of makeup, but it was just towards foundation, and it was basically a long-lasting foundation routine. In my case, it was using the products that I use on every single client on this hot weather and humid climate. So it's a long-lasting foundation routine for sure, and just go check out Tash's video on that because it's just completely different from mine. And before we go into the video, just don't forget to go and subscribe, hit the notification bell, go to Tash's video, watch it, subscribe, and like it. And today I'm gonna be using the Carli Bybel palette to create this gunmetal purplish with blue glitter type of look. It's simpler than it looks. And this was my first time using these two shades, Jode and OA, and they ended up looking pretty, but they have a lot of fallout. You just have to be careful with that. And they are drier in a way, so they're not the buttery formula that I'm used to from Anastasia, those two shades at least. So I had to wet them with Fix Plus for them to just stay a little bit better and show up a little bit better. So if you want to see this gunmetal-y, purplish, blue glitter look, it enhances brown eyes and a nude lip, then just keep on watching. Okay, so what I did here on this eye was I went with Bybel and a big fluffy blending brush, and I started to use that as a transition shade. So funny story, but not that funny. I already had filmed all of these videos, and now I'm gonna post this video tomorrow morning because my computer decided to die on me. So I had it fixed, but I lost all the information. So the videos that I had already edited but hadn't posted yet, I lost them. So the looks that I had for you guys, I lost them, and I'm not one to repeat myself. So I decided to just go in with different looks and not feel bad about the footage that I lost. So now I'm gonna put it all over the lid because I want to do sort of a halo eye in a color that I'm not really comfortable with, but I just want to do something different. This is just a mauvey, beautiful shade. And it's Bybel, this one right here. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with Jode, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna try and put that all over my lid, but sort of towards the outer parts and the inner parts. So I'm gonna be creating a halo eye for sure with this color. And I'm using the Morphe M506. Okay, this is my first time using this eyeshadow and it's definitely powdery, but we'll see how it goes. After that, I'm gonna grab in OA, and I love that series, by the way. And I'm gonna grab that with a JH41 from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. And this is more of a flat brush. I'm gonna see if the color it's picked up by the brush or if I have to use my finger. I think I'll use my finger. I have this rotten finger because I lost my nail, so I'm gonna just use that this way, and I'm gonna put it in the center. It's gonna be a subtle halo eye because the thing is that it's only gonna have the shimmer in the center, but it's gonna be mostly the same shade all over the lid. So I'm not even gonna name this halo eye on the title. A gunmetal glittery look. To be honest, I'm feeling that the color is not as intense as I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna go in with Jode and OA, but wet with the same brush and Fix Plus. And you guys will see. I'm gonna see if it works because this is the first time I use this palette, these colors from this palette. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with my pencil brush from Wayne Goss, and I'm gonna grab the shade Bybel, which was the first mauve shade that we used, and I'm gonna start to smoke my lower lash line. These transferred, but I don't mind because I'm gonna blend it and smoke it out on my lower lash line until the place that the eyeshadows ended up smudging. So I don't mind that, but you have to just be careful with those colors that I just applied, the one that's called Jode and OA. Now I'm gonna grab a Jode and OA mixed together, and I'm gonna blend my lower lash line, but I'm gonna blend it not as much as I did with Bybel. And I know it looks crazy, but I'm gonna use black and then it will tie in together. Like I said, I'm gonna tie everything together. So now I'm grabbing the Sephora black liner and I'm gonna just tight line and sort of smoke the liner a little bit out so that it doesn't look quite as gunmetal-y purple. And you'll see how that will just make the look more wearable, because I wouldn't feel comfortable just wearing lashes or even mascara with this look, because the color needs to be sitting down. I don't know how to express it, but it's just the way I feel. So I'm gonna go in with the black liner and tight line. This way it looks more wearable. So now I'm gonna grab my Morphe M508 and I'm gonna blend the smudgy eyeliner downwards. So guys, mascara makes everything better. I ended up going with my combo that I always use, which is the mascara that I'm using right now, the Lancome Definite Seals, and then the Voluminous by L'Oreal, the base. That's what I use as a primer for my lashes. And I'm gonna put a little bit of an inner corner highlight. This duochrome shade right here. This is similar to the one that you can find in the Sunrise palette. I'm just gonna put a hint of it just to give it light but not go so far away from the color scheme. I want this to look purplish, bluish, gunmetal-y. So I'm not gonna put a gold in the inner corner. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with lips, and I want to use this Anastasia one. And this is the liquid lipstick in the shade Milkshake. And I'm gonna line my lips to give it dimension with the Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut lip liner. This is the one in my project pan. And you guys can see how much progress I made with it. And then I'm gonna go in with Milkshake. So this is too pale for my liking, so I'm gonna go over it with the liner so that it's still light, but it's not as tacky Barbie. And now to keep up with the holographic theme, I'm gonna go in with this Beauty Rush Holographic Gloss by Victoria's Secret. I've had this for a while and I love it. It's one of my favorite lip glosses that I use all the time. So I'm gonna just put a hint of it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you thought of Tash's video and my video and this collab if you like watching tutorials from us. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Don't forget to go and subscribe to Natasha. She's amazing. And guys, tutorials take a lot of work. So please support us and like these videos if you like them, because they do take a lot of work. And I know it's sort of a sacrifice, a guilty pleasure, because I love makeup, but it's hard work to be filming every single day. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoy. If you want to see more looks with the Carli Bybel palette, let me know. And then for an emoji, you can leave it on Natasha's video and on my video. If you watch them both, just put any pink emoji, because the Carli Bybel palette is pink and I love the packaging of it. So just leave any pink emoji here and on Tash's channel. I'm gonna leave her channel linked below. Even if it's a different video, you just have to go and check for the latest videos that she uploaded. And just that's it, you guys. I guess I'll see you tomorrow.